What is an API?
The API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's a set of rules that lets different software programs communicate with each other. Imagine APIs as messengers passing requests and responses, making it easier for apps and websites to work together without sharing all their secrets or inner workings.
APIs in everyday life.
Think of APIs like a restaurant menu. You tell the waiter what you want, and the kitchen prepares your meal. You don't need to know how the chef cooks it. In the same way, APIs let devices and programs exchange information, handling the details behind the scenes.
How an API request works.
When you order a ride on a rideshare app, your phone sends a request through an API to the company's servers. The servers then process your request, like finding a nearby driver, and send back the details, all in seconds. The API is the bridge connecting your app and the company's systems.
Real-life example weather apps.
Most weather apps don't gather data themselves. Instead, they use an API to get the latest weather from another service. Your app asks, "What's the weather in my city?" The API responds with temperatures, forecasts, or warnings, allowing the app to display them instantly without collecting any weather data itself.
Why APIs matter.
APIs allow developers to build powerful apps quickly by reusing existing services. They make shopping, banking, communication, and much more possible on devices we use every day. Through APIs, technology stays secure, efficient, and flexible, connecting the digital world in ways most users never see.